Confirm my suspicion, di ba nga, kanang maski dili ikaw ang sadaan, no? Bakit nabanggaan, no? May tabo, di ba? Kanang makita mo na ito, kami itong ang nibangga, no? For example, northbound na southbound, ang nibangga, may nisod sa lane mo, niya, mo na namatay o mo na nasamdan, ang driver nga nabanggaan, may gipriso, di ba? Kay, karon na doon na ito ang polisiya din sa Philippine National Police, no? Traffic enforcement, na i-presume ko negligent, which I think is an unfair procedure because ang ito mo is that before ka mo-conduct, before nimo i-detain o arresto ang mga driver, nag-conduct sa investigation sa determine who was really at fault, whether there was actual negligence or whether he was reckless or not before i-detain. So, katong example lang dahil tabo sa Barangay Cambarones, Mandaue City, kung tanaon nimong report sa police, gidetain ang driver pending filing of charges. Pero wala kay determination kung whether the driver was actually reckless or negligent. So, makita na to sa video lang daan, ang katong driver sa motor, may nisod sa lane sa truck. Solid lane pa dyan, which is already a violation of our traffic laws, no? We're not trying to put any blame at all, but we're just trying to ensure na number one, there's fairness and justice, and of course the bottom line is that to ensure na everybody drives safely and responsibly. But di mo good malalim ang madating ka o mapriso ka, especially driver ka, ordinaryong driver, priso ka, mahitabo, Biyernes, pagawas ka, Lunes pa. So, pait kayo. So, mana nga, we perhaps request the Philippine National Police, no, to review this policy and perhaps even ask Congress. Kaya ang basis ko gi-mention ni Colonel Andaya was ang rules of criminal procedure determining probable cause. But before you make a probable cause, you must conduct an investigation. Apparently, they haven't conducted an investigation yet, pero ni-presume na sila nga sadaan. So, how can you presume negligence before you conducted an investigation? So, ang atong mga tukiwan, and again, I'm proposing possible legislation on that, either request to Congress or even pass a local ordinance, no, to ensure that there is just and fairness in the investigation of traffic vehicle accidents.
In this particular case, kato ipakita ninyo ato ba? Kanang unsa man to sa driver pero mas contributory gitong gibuhat pod sa motorcycle rider.
Yeah, the way I see it, no, if as a practicing lawyer, ang law magod, the law and our traffic code, there is a presumption of negligence if you have committed a traffic violation just right before or during the accident. Katong nitabo ato kita lang kanang kung DM Cortez naman na, diba? Diyan na siya, solid lane yun na, kay major highway man siya. So you're not supposed to cross. Ngita yung lugar at saka mo U-turn, di ka mo cross. Klaro na di cross pa dyan siya. Dito pa dyan, di parking, ato ba nga sa truck na di, naman na yung blind spot. Hindi ko na makita, yung na auto, magklaro ni mo na yung blind spot. So, expectedly, pag-abante, ikaw dyan siya.
Dapat ang tag-i-detain po itong motor. Sakto ba ito ni, anak? Sakto no? Dapat i-detain sa itong motor, ideally.
Supposedly, kay malagi, both are kung negligent, magandang duha, di silang duha ang i-detain, di ba? No? But again, we will just have to review, no? And ask for us a review of the standard operating procedure of the traffic enforcement unit sa Philippine National Police.